So today, we're going to be looking at the official Trump token, the Tucker Trump token. There has indeed been some rather significant news that has come out today regarding what has been pumping. But there's an even bigger piece of news that has just been released, specifically over on CNBC, and it's quite frankly absolutely mind-blowing, which is precisely why I feel compelled to give you a thorough review of this particular token. I genuinely believe that the official Trump token is here for the long haul, obviously as Trump himself is committed to a 4-year term, and this, in essence, is his token. And if we take a look over on their official website, you can click around, and as I'm quoting here from the internet regarding Trump, what we're seeing is that there are locked tokens for a period of 3 years, all right? This means that there won't be any immediate dumping, and while there might be some smaller dumps, it's fundamentally a token that's designed to stick around for an extended period. It's not just some run-of-the-mill meme coin, you understand? It's certainly not a regular meme coin, nor is it a meme coin associated with Fortnite, Donald Trump, or anything of that nature. And here's the news that just recently dropped, right here. If you're considering subscribing to his page, you can see it here. Essentially, you click on this, and then you click on Twitter, and you're going to find yourself subscribing to an official meme Trump page, you see? And remarkably, within just 3 days, an astonishing 97,000 people have already subscribed. So, that's truly an insane number. But the news that I'm particularly eager to share with you is this specific piece right here. You see, CNBC, they are widely recognized as the definitive reference point when it comes